Do you believe in magic? At Hong Kong Disneyland, the magic isn't just a feeling, it's an experience waiting to sweep you off your feet. Whether you're a Disney enthusiast, a thrill seeker, or planning the perfect family getaway, 2025 offers more enchantment, adventure, and wonder than ever before. Let's explore the ultimate guide to making your Hong Kong Disneyland visit truly unforgettable. With new attractions, revamped classics, and unique Disney experiences, this is a destination you can't miss. In this video, we'll count down the top 10 magical experiences, along with insider tips and a hidden gem you won't want to miss. Ready to unlock the magic? Let's dive in. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Number 1. Castle of Magical Dreams. The Castle of Magical Dreams isn't just a centerpiece, it's a celebration of diversity and imagination. Unlike any other Disney castle, this masterpiece incorporates design elements inspired by 13 Disney princesses, from Cinderella's elegance to Moana's adventurous spirit. Visitors can explore the gardens around the castle, where interactive exhibits showcase each princess's story. At night, prepare to be dazzled by the Follow Your Dreams nighttime spectacular, combining pyrotechnics, projections, and classic Disney melodies for a magical crescendo. Whether you're snapping photos during the day or soaking in the evening glow, this castle is an experience all its own. Number 2. World of Frozen. Exclusive to Hong Kong Disneyland, the World of Frozen brings Arendelle to life. With stunning snow-covered landscapes, iconic locations like Elsa's Ice Palace, and interactive elements, this is a must-see for Frozen fans. The centerpiece attraction, Frozen Ever After, is a state-of-the-art boat ride that immerses you in the magical story of Anna, Elsa, and Olaf. For thrill seekers, Wandering Oaken's Sliding Sleighs delivers excitement with a smooth yet exhilarating coaster ride. Don't miss wandering the streets of Arendelle, where you can shop for themed merchandise or grab a bite at restaurants serving up Nordic-inspired dishes. Number 3. Mystic Manor. Mystic Manor is an attraction like no other in the Disney universe. Set in a mysterious Victorian-style mansion, this ride tells the story of an eccentric adventurer, Lord Henry Mystic, and his mischievous monkey companion Albert. This trackless ride uses cutting-edge technology and special effects to transport guests into an enchanted world where objects come to life. The whimsical charm and stunning visuals make Mystic Manor a standout that you won't find in any other Disney park. Number 4. Iron Man Experience. Enter the world of superheroes with the Iron Man Experience, Disney's first Marvel-themed attraction. This thrilling simulator ride takes you on a journey through Hong Kong alongside Iron Man as you battle Hydra forces. The immersive 3D visuals, lifelike audio effects, and Tony Stark's charm make this an unforgettable adventure for Marvel fans. Be sure to stop by the Stark Expo, where you can see Iron Man suits, futuristic tech, and even meet Iron Man himself for a photo op. Number 5. Disney Stars on Parade. Every Disney park has a parade, but Hong Kong Disneyland's Disney Stars on Parade brings its own unique flair. This dazzling display features beautifully crafted floats representing beloved Disney stories, from The Little Mermaid to Toy Story. As characters like Mickey, Minnie, and Elsa wave from their fantastical floats, the music and choreography will have you humming along. For the best views, grab a spot near Sleeping Beauty Carousel or on Main Street, USA. Don't forget to bring your camera to capture those magical moments. Number 6. Hyperspace Mountain. The classic Space Mountain gets a galactic twist with Hyperspace Mountain. This thrilling indoor roller coaster plunges you into the heart of a Star Wars battle, complete with TIE fighters, blaster fire, and the iconic score by John Williams. As you zoom through the darkness at breakneck speeds, the adrenaline and immersive storytelling make this a can't-miss attraction. Whether you're a Star Wars fan or just love a good coaster, Hyperspace Mountain delivers on every front. Number 7. Toy Story Land. Shrink down to the size of a toy and explore Toy Story Land, where everything is larger than life. This colorful area features attractions like the Slinky Dog Spin, a fun ride for all ages, and RC Racer, which offers heart-pounding thrills as you zoom back and forth on a giant half-pipe. Theming here is impeccable, with giant building blocks, toy soldiers, and Buzz Lightyear statues that make you feel like you've stepped into Andy's backyard. Don't forget to grab a themed snack or snap a picture with Woody and Jessie. Number 8. Adventureland. Adventureland is where excitement meets the wild. The Jungle River Cruise is a highlight, with humorous skippers leading you through animatronic-filled waterways. Each ride is slightly different, thanks to the skippers' witty banter. For those who love live performances, the Festival of the Lion King is a must-see. This Broadway-style show features stunning costumes, acrobatics, and unforgettable music from the beloved movie. Add in Tarzan's Treehouse, an interactive walkthrough attraction, and you've got a land filled with adventure for all ages. Number 9. Hong Kong Disneyland Railroad. The Disneyland Railroad isn't just a mode of transportation, it's an attraction in itself. Hop on this vintage-style train for a relaxing tour of the park with scenic views of all the lands along the way. The ride offers a great opportunity to recharge while still soaking in the magic. Plus, it's a convenient way to get from one side of the park to the other without walking. Number 10. Dining and shopping. From iconic Disney snacks like Mickey-shaped waffles to full-course meals at themed restaurants, the dining options at Hong Kong Disneyland are as magical as the attractions. The Explorers Club restaurant offers international cuisine, while Royal Banquet Hall serves up dishes inspired by Disney characters. When it's time to shop, the Emporium is your go-to spot for exclusive Disney merchandise. Be sure to pick up a souvenir to commemorate your trip, whether it's a plush toy, a set of Mickey ears, or a limited edition collectible. So guys, and there you have it, the ultimate Hong Kong Disneyland attractions guide for 2025. Which magical moment are you most excited for? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and Disney fun. Tap the notification bell to join us on our next adventure. See you real soon.